Just thought I'd hit you with another of my favourite plants. It's Hydrangea Annabelle. Now as I'm standing here, these Annabelle are the same height as I am. And what's lovely about them is they start off with this sort of greeny colour start off. Actually these are Annabelle Strong. They've got this greeny effect, and then these heads turn into these magnificent huge white florets. They really are superb. So if you want a bold, impressive show, why not go for Hydrangea Annabelle? There's also one now that's available in pink, and hydrangeas generally have really come on in the last few years. Paniculata in all the various colours. They're lower, they're only about a couple of feet, 2 to 3 feet, whereas these are 3 to 6 feet. Especially if you water them well, they really do like a good feed and a good amount of water. We put on a mulch of fertilised compost to give them a bit of a boost, and off they go. More ideas from World Radio Gardening. Tell you what else we do. We put verbena through it, that lovely tall bonanza, and the purple just sticks through it. I don't know whether you can see any. They're just starting to show their heads here. Here, look at them. See, just starting to show. So there, there's another idea for you. Don't forget, we're here on World Radio Gardening to help you, the gardener.